So day 32nd of the community quarantine. It's been a month since we've been locked down. So before anything else, I would just like to give a pleasant salute to the frontliners, mga nurse, doctors, the health workers, health professionals, the drivers, people that keeps the economy going, yung mga nagtitinda sa mga palengke, sa supermarket. We just like to give a salute to all you people. Tapos, and also, I would just like to do this. So that's it. I just washed my hand and changed my shirt because pinawisan na ako. And 30 days, man. 32 days. So being locked up 32 days, not being able to do what you usually do, it really gets into your head. You know, hindi ka nakakapag-bike, hindi ka nakakapamalengke. Pero this thing that is happening, I cannot stress enough kung ano ang dapat gawin dahil alam niyo na naman siguro the only thing that we can do is to stay inside our house. Wash hands, stay inside sa bahay. Sa ganung kaliit na paraan, makakatulong tayo na mapigilan ang paglaganap ng pandemic. It's not about us kasi it's a global thing. The magnitude of what's happening is very malawak. Nurses namamatay, the doctors, even sports events being cancelled, NBA, Olympics. So in the bigger picture, palagay ko maliit lang yung bagay na magstay ka sa bahay at maghugas lagi ng kamay. If ever nalalabas ka man, maging responsable ka dun sa mga gagawin mo. That's your part to be a good citizen. So that's it. Anyway, let's continue. This is my second bike check on this channel. Yung una on my MTB, I'm planning to do a bike check of sorts na lahat kasama, but not on this setting kasi gusto ko sana merong malawak na lugar, pero I don't have the luxury of time. Pero ngayon, we're given the most time, pero hindi yun akmang setting. But anyway, so let's start. This bike is a BMX with a setup na dirt jump specific. This is a fitbike Aitken S3.5. A little technical thing. Pag bibili ka ng BMX, usually ang unang tanong lagi yung top tube. Kasi dun ka magbe-base sa height mo sa top tube ng BMX na bibili mo. It's not like sa mountain bike, iba mas technical eh. So sa BMX, simple lang. Gano'n ba kaba top tube niyan? Most of Filipinos, karamihan ng Filipinos, if not all, 5'6". So, the standard is 21 yung top tube for 6-footer. So yung 21 medyo mahaba na yon. Pero syempre, self preference pa rin. Pero itong frame na to is I'm 5'7", 5'8", 20.75 yung top tube niya. 20.75, tama. Kung kilala nyo si Mike Aitken, siguro nandun na kayo sa edad na medyo matanda na kayo, na kayong buying power. Or siguro may mga anak na rin kayo. Dahil si Mike Aitken medyo old school rider siya. So he's one of the few MX riders na I consider stylish. His style is extraordinary when riding his bike. Anyway, moving on. So this bike is a fit bike, 20.75. It has a 9 inches ng standover height. Tapos ang chainstay niya medyo mahaba. So it's not usual. Usually ngayon kasi ang mga chainstay mas maiksi, mas easier to turn 180s, 360. Kasi itong frame na ito, specific siya dun sa dirt jumping. So, it's not really on street riding na 180, 360. It's more on the stability dun sa dirt, sa trail. So, when you're in the... Also, the geometry of the head tube. Geometry kasi, dun din minsan nagbe-based kapag the bike is specific for dirt jumping. Usually, ang street bike is the tires are closer together. So, usually mga 74.75 yung head tube angle. But this bike is not on the specific of the street riding. So, medyo mas far away apart yung gulong. So, that is the geometry of this frame. Before this, I've used the Federal Bruno na V2, scrap, tsaka yung bangers ni enemy. So, all of those three frames, more on ano sila, mas street specific sila. Lalo na yung sa head tube kasi mahilig ako mag-nolly-nolly dun sa mga bangketa eh. So, I guess it's easy for those kind of frames to do those kind of tricks. I usually carry this bike kung mag-dirt ako na malapit lang. So, the nearest dirt sa akin sa Mamatid, dinadala ko to sa Mamatid tsaka sa San Pedro. So the frame is on still original paint, pearl white. Wala naman akong binago dito. So kape muna tayo because 32nd day and it's already 1:23 AM. Actually, I've lost the sense of time eh. Parang hindi ko na alam yung araw. Parang ang bilang ko na lang sa araw yung gaano kadalas kinokolekta yung basura, gaano kadalas nag-ahit, 3 beses na ako nag-ahit during the lockdown. Ginupitan na rin ako ng asawa ko dahil kumaba na yung buhok ko. Nakakabagot, so that's why I planned on putting up this video. So let's move on to the cranks. Cranks is a We The People 165 mm. 165 mm ang kanyang cranks. So maliit. So even on my dirt jump bike is 165 din yung gamit ko. So mas gamay ko yung 165 for me. It's kasi maliit naman akong tao. 165 22 mm BB with enemy turbine chainring and stolen throttle, seal bearing alloy pedal. So the build medyo old school siya. So, funny thing is, accidentally deleted yung recording ng mga sumunod. So, I guess I'll just have to run down the remaining parts. So, konti na lang naman ito. So, let's see. Let's start the brakes. So, the brakes I'm using is an Odyssey with Odyssey M2 lever, Odyssey GSX gyro, and Odyssey Evo 2 U brake. It can be used front or rear. So I think it's cool to have a brake. It's my first time to use a brake on a BMX. The fork I'm using is a Odyssey R32 fork, which has a lifetime warranty. So pag nasira mo yan, they are willing to change it to a new one. Ganon sila ka-confident dun sa produkto nila. For the stem, I'm using a Profile Racing front load stem, 48mm reach, and a Colt handlebar 8.75 height. So the last time na nagamit ito was December sa SPDC. So I sprained my ankle when I tried their new jump kasi bago yung jump, tapos bagong experience ko din yung BMX doon. Sana pala dinala ko yung much safer choice, which is the slope style bike, which we're going to review next time if given a chance. So that's about it. I hope you like this video. I hope may natutunan kayo sa kung ano man ang sinasabi ko, and get you to subscribe on this channel. If you need anything like tires, grips, or seat na meron ako, PM lang kayo if you want. Pwede ko kayong providean with discount syempre. And so ayun, I hope you stay safe, stay inside kung nasan man kayo, and see you guys next time. Okay, ride safest, bye bye.